We said for nth roots of unity, whenever you see z to the power of n equals to 1, you should immediately write down three things. Okay, first of all, w equals to 6, 2 pi over n. The second is w to the power of n equals to 1. The last one is the sum of all the roots equals to 0. And sum of all the roots equals 0. So when we see the question told you z to the power of 3 equals to 1, immediately quickly write down three things. W equals to 6 2 pi over 3, and then w to the power of 3 equals to 1, and then 1 plus w squared equals to 0. Okay, that would be all the information you need to solve this problem. And then let's have a look at to evaluate 1 minus w to the power of 8, w to the power of 4, w squared, and then 1 minus w. Always reduce the power whenever it's bigger than 3. So w to the power of 3 equals to 1. Then w equals to the power of 4, it just equals to w. W to the power of 8 is w cubed, w squared. Right? These two just become 1, so it just becomes 1 minus w squared. Okay, so we have 1 minus w squared, 1 minus w, 1 minus w squared, 1 minus w. You can see these two terms are exactly the same. We can combine them together, which is 1 minus w squared, 1 minus w all squared. Yeah. And then just expand this properly, which is 1 minus w squared plus w to the power of 3. Whenever you have w to the power of 3, this just immediately equals to 1. So this w to the power of 3 just equals to 1. Okay. We also said the sum of all the roots equals to 0. So 1 plus w squared equals 0. So 1 equals to minus w squared. So this one here also equals to 1. Yeah, so you have 1 and a 1 and a 1. So that's 1 plus 1 plus 1 all squared, which is 3 squared. The final answer equals to 9.